Picture this, a bustling city of ancient Babylon, filled with merchants, traders, and ordinary citizens all chasing one thing, wealth. In the midst of it all, one man stands out, a man so wealthy and wise that people seek him from far and wide. Today, we're diving into the timeless lessons of The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason, a book that has guided millions to financial wisdom. In this video, you'll learn the secrets to building wealth straight from the sands of Babylon to your screen. Stay with us, because by the end, you'll walk away with actionable lessons to transform your financial future. And hey, if you love stories that inspire and teach, hit subscribe and join our growing community. Our journey begins with Arkad, the humble scribe who set out on a path to fortune. Despite starting with nothing, he became the wealthiest man in Babylon by mastering the art of saving. These principles are not just ancient wisdom, they're powerful tools that can help anyone in any era build lasting wealth. So take these lessons, apply them in your life, and watch your financial dreams come to life. Welcome to Lesson 1, Start Thy Purse to Fattening. This is the first and most essential step towards wealth and prosperity. Imagine if every time you earned money, you set aside at least 10% just for yourself. Not for bills, not for expenses, but strictly for your own financial future. Arkad, the richest man in Babylon, emphasized this practice as the cornerstone of building wealth. He believed that the path to riches begins by paying yourself first. Every coin you earn, consider one as yours to keep, your seed for sowing future prosperity. This simple yet powerful habit establishes a foundation of financial stability and security. By consistently saving this 10%, you create a golden purse that gradually fills and fattens, symbolizing your growing wealth. Over time, these savings become a source of strength and opportunity, giving you the freedom to seize better investments or weather unforeseen storms. It's a practice that turns spenders into savers and savers into investors. Start today and watch how these small sets-aside coins compound into significant amounts. Are you merely surviving from paycheck to paycheck or taking steps toward a secure financial future? Stick around, because the next lesson will guide you on how to make these savings flourish, how to plant these savings like seeds that will grow and multiply in your purse. Remember, the journey to financial independence begins with the discipline of saving. Start thy purse to fattening and unlock the door to wealth and prosperity. Now is the time to build your foundation, your safety net, and prepare for a future where your money works for you. Welcome to Lesson 2, Control Thy Expenditures. In this segment, we'll delve into a timeless principle of wealth building inspired by Arkad, the art of managing your spending. It's crucial to understand that our desires will invariably exceed our income. That's simply human nature. However, the secret lies in distinguishing between what we truly need and what we merely want. Imagine a lavish banquet spread before you. It's tempting, isn't it? But is it necessary? This is where wisdom steps in. By controlling our expenditures, we gain power over our finances. More than just saving money, we release resources that can be redirected toward growing our wealth. The key is to live below our means. Keep this in mind. Wealth is a byproduct of disciplined spending. When expenses are controlled, opportunities to invest open up, paving the way for financial growth. Many believe that saving is impossible because their income is limited. The reality is quite different. It's not about the size of your paycheck. It's about how much you manage to keep. Surprised? Let's explore that intriguing notion further as we move into our next lesson. Now take a moment to visualize. A scroll of parchment unrolls with the words needs versus wants inked in bold. Consider the extravagant feast you once imagined slowly dissolving into a simpler yet fulfilling meal. It's a vivid metaphor for focusing on needs over wants. Picture coins, which could be effortlessly squandered, instead deliberately directed into savings. This visual journey reinforces the lesson. Live wisely, spend thoughtfully, and let your wealth blossom. In conclusion, remember that your financial freedom starts with one simple act: controlling your expenditures. Keep your desires in check, differentiate between your needs and wants, and make informed decisions about your spending. By doing so, you'll find yourself with more resources to invest, ensuring a prosperous future. Stay tuned as we continue to uncover more truths about wealth accumulation in the lessons ahead. Welcome to Lesson 3, Make Thy Gold Multiply. This is where the magic truly happens. Arkad, the richest man in Babylon, stresses the vital importance of not just saving, but investing your savings to create a steady flow of income. Picture your money as a tiny seed. When planted wisely, it doesn't just sit there waiting. It grows and blossoms into a bountiful harvest, multiplying beyond its original value. The wealthy understand this well. They don't just stash their gold, they put it to work. Imagine your savings as soldiers fighting to make you wealthy. Whether you choose real estate, venture into stocks, or dare to start your own business, these smart avenues make your money grow while you're busy doing other things or even while you sleep. But remember, not all investments are created equal. The potential is exciting, but each path demands a solid blend of knowledge, patience, and foresight. Rushing without understanding can lead to pitfalls that shrink your hard-earned gold rather than multiply it. Arkad reminds his students, never jump into an investment without understanding it. Seek advice, but choose mentors wisely. Invest in ventures where your principal is safe, and don't get caught up in schemes that promise returns too good to be true. Wise investment isn't about becoming rich overnight. It's about steadily building wealth over time. Are you excited to learn how to grow your money so it works for you? Stay tuned for our next lesson, where we'll dive deeper into avoiding the common pitfalls of bad investments. With the right mindset and strategy, your money can indeed grow while you sleep, just like the golden tree we envision. A lone coin, planted with care, transforming into a flourishing tree laden with shimmering gold. Next is Lesson 4. Guard thy treasures against loss. In this essential chapter, we explore the critical advice from Arkad: protect your wealth with vigilance. In a world filled with promises of instant riches and enticing shortcuts, many lose their fortunes by investing hastily in schemes they neither understand nor trust. The allure of getting rich quickly often blinds us to the risks hidden beneath the surface. So, how do we ensure our savings grow safely and steadily? The answer lies in wisdom and due diligence. Arkad advises that we should only invest in what we truly comprehend. An investment might seem like a golden opportunity, but if it's built on unstable ground, it could crumble entirely. Keep your assets secure by seeking the counsel of those who have walked the path before you, wise and experienced investors who can spot the dangers you might miss. It's vital to differentiate between a calculated investment and a reckless gamble. Protect your treasures with the same care you would apply in keeping physical possessions safe. Visualize a treasure chest secured with glowing locks and keys of metallic silver and rich mahogany. This represents your wealth, guarded against unscrupulous figures with shadowy intentions. While they may attempt to breach your security, they fail, thwarted by your foresight and wisdom. Guard your treasures, and they will, in turn, provide for you. Next is Lesson 5. Make of thy dwelling a profitable investment. In this segment, Arkad reveals that owning your home, rather than renting, is not just a lifestyle choice, but a pivotal step toward achieving financial freedom. Why, you may ask? It's simple. Owning property provides a sense of stability, a place to call your own, and a retreat for your family. But there's more to it than just comfort or pride of ownership. Real estate, when managed wisely, is a powerful tool for generating wealth and securing your financial future. Think of your home as the foundation of your financial empire. Much like a house growing roots made of coins deep into the earth, homeownership lays down the groundwork for not only stability, but also wealth accumulation. Every monthly payment you make is more than just another bill. It's an investment, an increment of your stake in a tangible asset. It's a contributor to your net worth and a safeguard against the unpredictability of future housing costs. Now, let's dive into why this is a cornerstone of wealth building. Unlike renting, where your money essentially vanishes into someone else's pocket without yielding a return, mortgage payments build equity over time. This equity can then be leveraged for other investments or provide a nest egg for retirement. Better yet, real estate tends to appreciate over time, often outpacing inflation, thus increasing your wealth further. Beyond just financial growth, owning can also provide tax benefits, allowing you to deduct mortgage interest or property taxes, which lightens your financial load each year. All of these factors contribute to making your home not just a place to live, but a pivotal component of your wealth-building strategy. So, do you rent or own? Either way, the next lesson will illuminate even more ways to fortify your wealth, step by step. Second last is Lesson 6. Ensure a future income. Today, we're delving into an essential part of wealth building, planning for tomorrow. Akkad, the wise man of ancient Babylon, taught us that accumulating wealth is just the beginning. The true art lies in ensuring that this wealth provides security and prosperity for the future. So, how can we achieve this? By saving for retirement, investing in life insurance, or creating passive income streams. The idea is simple. Your wealth should not only serve you during your lifetime, but support your family for generations to come. Imagine wealth as an endless river, continuously flowing, nurturing not just you, but those who follow. Investing in your future requires discipline and foresight. For instance, contributing regularly to a retirement account is a step towards securing the years ahead. It's a testament to your commitment to future stability. Likewise, life insurance acts as a shield, safeguarding your loved ones from financial turmoil when you're no longer there to provide. Consider the power of passive income streams. From rental properties to dividends from stocks, these investments are sources that can outlive you, extending your wealth's reach far beyond your own timeline. By tapping into them, you create a legacy, a lasting impact that transcends your years. Now, pause and reflect. How secure is your future? Are you taking deliberate steps today to ensure a prosperous tomorrow? Remember, it's not just about how much wealth you gather, but how well you manage it to work for you, perpetually. Stick with us as the next lesson dives into creating unstoppable momentum toward wealth. Just like an hourglass where coins flow instead of sand, symbolizing wealth over time, envision your future filled with golden opportunities. With each step, you build a fortress of financial security, enduring, unwavering, and secure. Let these golden moments define your legacy, set against a backdrop of deep blue, representing the peace and stability you seek. So embark on this journey and let each step bring you closer to a future that's rich and fulfilling. And at last is Lesson 7, increase thy ability to earn. This final lesson from Babylon's wisdom is perhaps the most empowering and transformative. Akkad, the richest man in Babylon, emphasizes the importance of continuous growth and learning. Imagine the world's wealthiest individuals. What's their secret? They never cease investing in themselves. Whether mastering a new skill, expanding their network, or enhancing their productivity, these individuals know that their greatest asset is their ability to create value. The more value you generate, the more wealth you naturally attract. Consider this. Are you actively investing in yourself? Are you pushing your boundaries, acquiring new skills, and seeking knowledge? It's time to transform potential into reality. Remember, in the journey to wealth, each step you take increases your capability to earn. Now, let's delve into the key takeaways from this timeless wisdom that has crossed the ages from ancient Babylon to today. First, the pursuit of skill. As the foundational rung on our golden ladder, improving your craft or expertise not only makes you more proficient, but also more valuable in any marketplace. Ask yourself, what skills can I master that align with my passions and aspirations? Second, never underestimate the power of knowledge. With each new piece of information, insight, or wisdom you acquire, you're equipping yourself to navigate the challenges of the modern world. Knowledge fosters innovation and is the engine of prosperity. What books, courses, or experiences can you engage with to expand your horizon and ignite your creativity? Finally, focus on personal growth. Growth is about evolving, learning from failures, and adapting to change. It's about resilience and determination. With each step upward, you enhance your earning potential and enrich your life. Who can mentor you to accelerate your personal development? What challenges can you embrace to grow stronger? And now, let me ask you one more time. Are you investing in yourself? Reflect on Babylon's enduring lessons and seize your destiny. And there you have it, 7 timeless lessons from the richest man in Babylon. These principles are as true today as they were thousands of years ago. Which lesson resonated with you the most? Was it the importance of paying yourself first, ensuring that 1/10 of all you earn is yours to keep? Or was it controlling your expenditures, ensuring you live below your means to accumulate wealth. Perhaps it was the notion of making your gold work for you, letting your savings multiply like the fertile oasis in a desert of financial uncertainty. Let's not forget the lesson of safeguarding our treasures, investing wisely to avoid loss. In today's world, that might mean doing thorough research, seeking expert advice, and diversifying our investments. And what about owning your home or finding wise counsel? Each lesson is a pillar in the foundation of financial freedom. They are aged yet ageless, offering practical wisdom as you navigate the complexities of modern finance. So, which principle speaks to you? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do these concepts feel as revolutionary today as I believe they did for those ancient Babylonians? And if you found value in this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more stories and strategies to build your wealth. Remember, each subscription is a step toward creating a community dedicated to growth and prosperity. Your journey to financial empowerment starts here. So until next time, may your purse be ever fat and your wisdom grow as boundless as the sands of Babylon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. As we roll up this scroll of ancient wisdom, envision a future bursting with abundance and opportunity. And don't forget, there's always more to learn and explore. Subscribe for more.